Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Mandy, and Mandy is one of our superstars. We've been following up, her surgery day is documented on her YouTube channel, as well as her 9-month follow-up, and now she's here at 1 year with her final result. And I'll put some before pictures up there again so you guys can, see how far she's come and how much of a different look she has now. The last time she had a video with us at the 9-month mark, she actually had curly hair. And now, since then, she's flat ironed it, so you can see the different types of hairstyles you can have, even with transplanted hair. You're not just limited to one style. It's treated just like natural hair, just no traction hairstyles anymore, and she knows that.
Right.
Mandy, overall, how was your, the entire experience, how it came in, and what do you think of your final result?
The experience was pretty wonderful. I was glad to see the whole journey, how it grew out. It took no time. The year went by pretty fast to me. My hair is back in. It's full. It's thick. If you guys can see, I'm able to swoop my edges. I probably can take a piece out. Like, I have length.
Yeah.
So it's pretty awesome.
It's cool.
I really enjoyed this journey.
Awesome. And the nice thing for you is it's permanent. So no matter, it'll be there for the rest of your life as long as you're not doing any more traction hairstyles or damaging chemicals. So just, natural type products, but you can do simple things like flat ironing it. Some people even get a relaxer. Keratin treatment, those kind of things are fine, but what a transformation. I'm really happy for you, and thanks for letting other people know that this is an option, and that for women of color that have traction alopecia, this is a real option that can make a difference in your life. And in terms of the recovery, I know it kind of sucks the first month or two after the surgery, but are people, is it a big shock for people when you have your hair? I mean, did it kind of grow in gradually, or was it?
It grew in gradually, but nobody really could tell because I wore like wigs during the whole first couple months.
Got it.
But as it grew and I actually opened up to people, they were like shocked, surprised.
Awesome.
Some people are actually considering getting the transplant done, so you might have a couple of clients coming your way.
We appreciate that. A lot of our business is referrals, so I appreciate that. Thanks again, Mandy, and thanks for being an ambassador for our clinic as well. Appreciate it.
No, thank you.
Yeah. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.